Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Homeopathy Care. Myself Dr. Jyoti. Today we will discuss about hypochromic anemia. Definition of the hypochromic anemia. Hypochromic anemia due to iron deficiency is the commonest cause of anemia. It is estimated that about 20% of women in childbearing age group and 2% of male. It is a cause of hypochromic anemia in which all the RBC indices, mean corpuscular volume, mean corpuscular hemoglobin and mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration decrease due to defective HB synthesis. There are classified in two groups of hypochromic anemia. First is the due to deficiency of the iron, and second is the hypochromic anemia other than iron deficiency. It is a commonest nutritional deficiency disorder. And then let's start iron metabolism. Iron loss from the skin, bowel, genitourinary tract, sweat and hairs. 1 mg daily loss male and non-menstruating females, and 1.5 mg to 2 mg loss in menstruating female during menses time and during pregnancy is more than requirement of iron. Iron required two primary source. First is the food and second is the recycling RBC. And then absorption of iron. Average Western diet contain 10 to 15 mg of iron are present, out of which only 5 to 10% is normally absorbed. During pregnancy, iron requirement increase 20 to 30%. Iron absorbed mainly in the duodenum and proximal jejunum and upper small intestine. It is regulated by mucosal block mechanism. When iron store all are low during menses या during pregnancy या period of growth या various other type of diseases, absorption of is enhanced iron store are increased in hemosiderosis. What is hemosiderosis? Overload of iron in the body and tissue. Little iron are absorbed and transported. Iron from diet containing heme is better absorbed than non-heme iron. Absorption of non-heme iron is enhanced by factors such as ascorbic acid, vitamin C, citric acid, amino acids, sugar, gastric secretions, hypochloric acid of the stomach. Iron absorb is impaired by such type of factor like medicine antacids and like Asiloc, rabeprazole, Rabid D, Rabel L, like medicines. Milk or pancreatic secretions, and phytates is the grains, cereals, and phosphate EDTA. Tannate contains of tea and coffee. Non-heme release as a ferrous form and reductase of ferric to ferrous form for transport across the membrane is accomplished by divalent metal transport first, and gut cells ferric iron stored as ferritin transport to transferritin by two vehicles. First is the ferroportin and second is the heparin. Absorption of both non-heme and heme iron form of iron come in the mucosal pool, and iron is transported in the plasma bound to a beta globulin transferrin synthesis in the liver. And then it is available in the marrow where the developing erythroid cells and having transferrin receptor utilize iron for hemoglobin synthesis. Transferrin receptor are present. What is transferrin receptor? Transferrin receptor are present in cell of many tissues of the body. Excretion of the iron like in skin, bowel, faces unabsorbed iron, and desquamated mucosal cells, sweat, genitourinary tract, skin and sweat, hair and nails. Distribution. First is the hemoglobin present RBC contain most of the body iron in 65% are utilized. And second is the myoglobin, 3.5% of iron is utilized, a small amount of iron in the muscles. Heme and non-heme enzymes, examples are like cytochrome, catalase and peroxidase, succinic dehydrogenase and flavoproteins constitute of fractions of total body iron, 0.5% are utilized. Transferrin bound iron circulate in the plasma and constitute another fractions of total body iron, 0.5% are utilized. All these form of iron are functional form, and ferritin and hemosiderin are the storage of form of excess iron like 30%. They are stored in the mononuclear phagocyte cells of the spleen, liver, bone marrow and in the parenchymal cell of the liver. And then pathogenesis of the iron deficiency of anemia. It is developed due to decreased supply of iron for HB synthesis. Initially, negative iron balance are covered from the tissue storage, maintain HB synthesis. Tissue are exhausted the supply of iron to the bone marrow, insufficient for the HB formation and develop iron deficiency anemia. It is depend upon following factors like increased blood loss and decreased dietary intake, increased requirements in physiological condition like pregnancy, during menstrual menses, during abortion time, more blood loss more than 1 and 2 liters. And then other factors are in decreased intestinal absorptions, due to chronic blood loss. The cause of iron deficiency or anemia, first is the female in reproductive period of life. So the highest incidence of iron deficiency anemia in the woman during reproductive year of life. First is the blood loss during childbearing age group and menstruations, and during insertion of puberty. Young girls onset of menstruation may develop mild anemia due to blood loss. Or inadequate intake of food cause iron deficiency anemia. Second major cause of the postmenopausal females in physiological demand for increase iron and decrease after cessation of menstruation. Iron deficiency anemia develop in postmenopausal women due to chronic blood loss, like postmenopausal uterine bleeding due to carcinoma of the uterus, bleeding from the alimentary tract such as due to carcinoma of the stomach, large bowel, hiatus hernia, like that of conditions more than blood loss. Adult males, it is uncommon for adult male due to developed iron deficiency anemia in the presence of iron dietary iron content and iron absorptions, like GIT, gastrointestinal tract is the usual source of bleeding, may due to peptic ulcer, due to hemorrhoids, due to worm infestation, carcinoma of the stomach, large bowel, esophageal cancers and esophageal varices, hiatus hernia, chronic aspirin injections, ulcerative colitis. And second cause of urinary tract due to hematuria, and third is the nose repeated epistaxis, and lungs is the hemoptysis, and various causes are blood loss. Infants and decrease iron supplements, decrease dietary intake. And then clinical symptoms. Clinical symptoms are more common in iron deficiency anemia is the weakness, fatigue, dyspnea, exertion, palpitation, pallorness of skin, like that, and pallorness of mucous membrane, sclera. Older patient may develop angina, congestive heart failure. Patient may have unusual dietary cravings such as pica. Menorrhagia is the common symptom of iron deficiency anemia in the women. Epithelial tissue changes in chronic iron deficiency anemia cause epithelial tissue changes in the some patients. Changes occur in the nails like chylonychia, spoon-shaped nail. Tongue is atrophic glossitis. Starting symptoms are presented in the multiple ulcers, mouth ulcers, and then changes in chronic form में changes in the atrophic glossitis. Mouth ulcer in angular stomatitis, esophagus causing dysphagia from development of the thin mucous membranous webs at the post-cricoid area like Plummer-Vinson syndrome presented. And investigation of the iron deficiency anemia. RBC show is microcytic hypochromic red cells. First is the red cell morphology. Show microcytic hypochromic red cell, and red cell indices like MCV, MCH or MCHC are also decreases. Marrow erythropoiesis show a micronormoblastic, and marrow iron store are deficient. In biochemical findings are the iron serum level is low. Normal value of iron serum level in the blood 40 to 140 microgram per dl, and total iron binding capacity tips is high. Normal level of 250 to 450 microgram per dl, and serum ferritin is very low in iron deficiency of anemia. Normal level 30 to 250 and nanogram per ml, and red cell protoporphyrin is very low, and serum transferrin receptor protein is normally present in on developing erythroid cells, and reflect total red cell masses is raised in iron deficiency due to its release in circulations. And principal treatment of iron deficiency anemia. Management of iron deficiency anemia consists of two essential principles. First is the correct of disorder. Disorder like cause of iron deficiency is estimated after thorough checkup and investigation. Appropriate surgical or medicinal or preventive measures are corrected, and correct of cause of blood loss and correction of the iron deficiency. Lack of iron is the corrected, and iron therapy is taken. First is the oral therapy, and second is the parenteral therapy. Parenteral iron therapy is indicated in following types of cases. First is the intolerance of iron, oral iron therapy in GIT disorders such as malabsorptions, and third is the post-operative cases, and fourth is the cases requiring a rapid replenishment of iron storage in women with severe anemia few weeks before expected date of delivery. Then go to a parenteral therapy. Thank you so